Welcome to For the Love of Paw Paws, the first ever online course for all things Paw Paw. Whether you are just a curious fruit lover, a grower, or a culinary aficionado wanting to learn about the mysterious Paw Paw, you've come to the right place. Hi, I'm Michael Judd, your guide into the wonderful world of Paw Paws. Coming to you from the loft at Long Creek Homestead in our circular straw bale home in the Blue Ridge Mountains of Maryland, prime Paw Paw country. I'm an avid fruit grower with over 25 years of growing experience, and hands down, Paw Paws are a favorite. So why a course in the Paw Paws? Well, Paw Paw is a remarkable character, the only member of the tropical custard apple family that has migrated and adapted north over hundreds of thousands of years to become North America's largest edible fruit. And what an amazing fruit! Rich, creamy pulp has tropical flavors, reminiscent of mango, pineapple, banana, and vanilla custard that combine together to create a satisfying natural dessert. Certainly one of the most delicious and nutritious plants on the planet. It is well worth the exploration of learning about. Each session of this image-rich course will enlighten your knowledge and connection with Paw Paws from seed to table. The course is broken into 7 sessions that demystify the Paw Paw and familiarize you with how and where to find Paw Paws, how to plant and care for Paw Paw trees, harvest and handling tips, delicious recipes, and much, much more. There will also be accompanying reading materials, guest interviews, and resources. And best yet, upon course completion, you will receive a course certificate and become an official Paw Paw ambassador. I look forward to accompanying you on this fruitful adventure. See you in the course.